العالم تاعي تا نشرب يا أخي نعيشة.
It's called Brook Ball. The Brook balls are ejected from the Brook Blaster, and then the player has to hit them back into the Brook basket to score.
Hand me the Brook bat.
Actually, it's just a pencil.
Did I win?
Why not?
You can find more fun at goldfishpond.com. Ask your parents' permission.
The snack that smiles back, Goldfish.
Date night at DQ with their amazing new chicken and waffles basket.
Chicken strips.
Belgian waffles.
Syrup.
Fries.
Savory.
Sweet.
My lady.
My man.
Your daughter.
Oh, we love our daughter.
How did we get so lucky?
I don't know.
DQ, happy tastes good.
At Knott's Berry Farm, fun doesn't come easy all by itself, though it's our job to make it seem like it does. It starts in the way we nurture our Windseeker crop to be over 300 feet high by the 4th of July. It's in the care we take to harvest our pies at precisely the right time. And it's getting it all to you at the park, because at Knott's Berry Farm, it's our job to make sure fun is fun. Knott's Berry Farm, certified fun.
Thanks for giving me money and have a nice day.
Goodbye and have a nice day too.
Are you using the credit card or paying money all time?
Yes, I'm paying the same money all time. I could have a coupon card.
Then, you can have the coupon card, just do in 3 ways. First of all,
tag the pay now if you buy something, for example, groceries. Then, choose the coupon option to pay it. And last, tag the short button to pay your all products, and the delivery worker will be at your home or your location. Download now on Epoxy Coupon. Warning, you must have 18 years old or above. Using the coupon card below 18 years old without parent or guardian's permission is not allowed.
The mom and dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to